Good morning children. I am going to take EVS subject for 2nd standard, term 3 portion children, unit 2, my beloved motherland. For that we are going to see the classwork questions. Already we finished the book exercises, all we finished. Okay, now all of you take your EVS classwork and write unit 2, my beloved motherland. Formulata 1, choose the correct answer. Take your classwork and write children. First one, OURR, national tree is dash. Options are PALM, palm tree, B, banyan tree, C, mango tree, MANGO, mango, TREE. Which one is the right answer children? Palm tree is state tree. So, banyan tree is the correct answer. So, you write banyan tree. BANYANTRE. Banyan tree means alamaram. Next one. In our national flag, IN in OURR, national, NATIONAL, national flag. In our national flag, THE, the white, WHITE, in white band, stands for dash. Sacrifice. Next option is prosperity. Next one, truth and peace. Which one is the right answer? Truth and peace is the right answer. Okay. Unmai Samadhanam. TRUTH, truth, and truth and peace. PEACE, truth and peace. Next one, dash followed the path of non-violence. Dash followed the path of non-violence. The options are Mahatma Gandhiji. Next one, Jawaharlal Nehru. Next one is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which one is the right answer children? Non-violence. Who followed? Which national leader? Mahatma Gandhiji. அஹிம்சை வழியாக போராடி நம் இந்தியாவுக்கு சுதந்திரம் பெற்றுக் கொடுத்தார். Write these three. Choose the correct answer children. Finish writing. Take your EVS classwork and write. Next one, yes or no. Right, yes or no. First one, TH, throw waste in public places. Answer, no, we should not throw. Okay, so answer is no. Next one, we should not spit in public places. Answer, we should not spit. Okay, so we should not spit in public places. Yes. We should scribble on walls. நம்ம செவுத்துலலாம் கிறுக்கலாமா? No, we should not do that one. So, we should not. No, answer is no. Fourth one, we should maintain silence in the public, PUBLIC, public library. We should maintain silence. We should not go and shout there. We should not talk there. Okay, so answer is yes, we should maintain silence. Fifth one, rose is our national flower. Rose is our NATIONAL, national flower. FLOWER. The answer is no. Only lotus is our national flower. So rose is not our national flower. So answer is no. Listen children. Listen carefully. Take your classwork and write this one. EVS classwork. Write yes or no. Throw waste in public places. No. We should not spit in public places. Yes. We should scribble on the walls. Answer is no. We should maintain silence in the public library. Yes. Rose is our national flower. No. Finish children? Next one, match. Roman letter 3. Match the following. Kabaddi. 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 Hospital. HOSPITAL. Saffron. 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 Next one, 24 spokes. Cha-cha. CHACHA. Cha-cha. Sacrifice. 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 State game. STATE. State. GAME. State game. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. PANDIT DIT Pandit, JAWAHRLAL Jawaharlal Nehru, NEHRU. Then public place, PUBLIC public place, PLACE place. Ashoka Chakra, Ashoka Chakra, CHAKRA. Serious. Kabaddi is a game. Okay, that is our state game. So write one here. Then hospital. Hospital is a public place. So write here 2. Then saffron. Saffron national flag color. Saffron stands for sacrifice. So put here 3. Then 24 spokes. In Ashoka Chakra only we are having 24 spokes. So write here number 4. Then Chacha. Whom we call as Chacha Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So 5. Once again listen children. Kabaddi, state game, hospital, public place. Then saffron, sacrifice, 24 spokes, Ashoka Chakra, Chacha, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Finish children. Next we can see the name the following. Roman letter 4. Roman letter 4. NAME. Name the followings. First one. Name the state flower of Tamil Nadu. NAME. Name the STATE state flower of Tamil Nadu. Answer Gloriosa lily. Next one. Next one is name the state fruit. NAME. Name the state. STATE. State fruit. FRUIT. Which is our state fruit? Jackfruit. Palapalam. JACK. Jackfruit. FRUIT. Next one. Name of national bird. Name the national BIRD bird. Answer is peacock. 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 Name a public place. Fourth one. NAME. Name a public. Answer park. 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 Here name the state flower of Tamil Nadu. Gloriosa lily. Name the state fruit. Jackfruit. Name the national bird, peacock. Name a public place, park. Okay, children. Roman letter 5. Answer the following. First one. Who is our father of? Who is father of our nation? Answer Mahatma Gandhi ji. M-A-H-A-T Mahatma M-A-Ma Gandhi ji. G-A-N-D Mahatma Gandhi ji is father of our nation. N-A-T-I-O-N nation. Next one. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? WHO. WAS was the FIRST. First. PRIME Prime Minister. MINISTER Prime Minister of India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. PANDIT Pandit Jawaharlal. JAWAHARLAL Jawaharlal Nehru. NEHRU was the WAS was TH the first 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 Prime Minister. MINISTER Prime Minister of India. India. Listen children, answer the following. Take your EVS classwork and write children. Who is father of our nation? Mahatma Gandhi ji is father of our nation. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Okay children. The rest question answers we will see in the next class. Thank you children.